Hi, hello guys, welcome back to my another video. Please take word. This is Darshan here going to explain about the confidence limit. In this, we are going to unlock the powerful of static inference. Here, we are going to discover the confidence limit empowers you to make the informative decisions, qualifying the uncertainty in your data. In this video, we are going to guide through an fundamental concepts and really work applications of confidence intervals in the CSE field. Going further, here we are going to solve some related to the population where we are going to understand the sampling. Learn how the sample statistics vary in relation to the true population parameter and sample distribution. Explore the distribution of sample means propagation and their other statistics. Then, the central limit theorem, a foundation of confidence limit, where the sample distribution of the mean and the implication of the inference is needed, where we are going to understand how the sampling means follows the normal distribution as the same size increases. In leveraging, the center limit theorem acts as a major role where the construction reliability confidence intervals are required. Coming to the definition of confidence limit intervals. Intervals, concepts, and terminologies. The confidence level. Understanding the probability that the true parameters falls within the intervals. Means the confidence limit helps us to show the values or the range of the population into the intervals by showing the interval between the graph in representation. Margin of the errors. Learning how to calculate the prescription of estimating based on the sample size and variability. Going further, we are going to calculate the confidence intervals of the population mean. Step 1, to determine the appropriate test statistics Z or T based on the sample size and population standards deviation. Step 2, calculate the margin of the error using the test statistics and standard errors. Construction the confidence intervals by adding and merging with the errors for the sample mean. Going further, we are going to interpret the confidence intervals and making the informative decisions, where we are going to assess the precision and hypothesis test, where we are going to evaluate the width of an confidence interval to determine the level of uncertainty. We are coming to the hypothesis test. We are going to use the confidence intervals to test the hypothesis of the population parameter. Going to the confidence interval of the population position, where the estimated proposition learns how to construct a confidence intervals for a population proportion, where we are going to estimate the proportion, learn how to construct the confidence intervals for a population proposition based on the sample data, and interpreting the results, understanding the implication of confidence intervals for an categorized data in a CSE field. We are going to understand where the applications of confidence intervals are applied in the CSE field. There are major fields like data analytics, process improvements, and quality analysis, where data analysts, the quality of the uncertainty is estimated by the means, proportion, and other parameters. By coming to the process improvement, used for confidence intervals to evaluate the effectiveness of the engineer's inventions. Coming to the quality assistance, where the assessing the reliability of consistence of CSE processing and products. Coming to its interval limits and assumptions of the confidence interval analysis, where the sample size requirement, normality, assumption, and potential biased are the more three reasons which we are going to discuss, where we are going to understand the improvement of an acquired sample size and reliability of confidence interval and normality assumption. Learning when the normal distribution assumes is invalid and how to handle a violation. Potential biased, where the recognizing the source by an bias that can affect the occurrence of the confidence interval estimated. Coming to the conclusion part of the importance of confidence limit in mathematics for CSE stream, where we are going to inform the decisions where confidence intervals empowers you to make an data drive decision with a quantitative uncertainty, process improvement, where application of confidence interval to an evaluate the effectiveness of an engineer's inventions and quality assumption, where we are going to use the confidence intervals to assess the reliability and consistency of a CSE processes and products. These confidence intervals indirectly acts a major role to make their products and their estimations easy for the CSE students in their fields. Coming to the last of this confidence interval, I thank all you for watching the video.